Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Logitech G512 X keyboard in case it suddenly stopped working. So before trying this method, I also recommend swapping your USB port on your computer. Try swapping between USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports. Usually 2.0 would be more responsive to keyboards, and also try uninstalling the G Hub application, then reinstalling it. Also search your G Hub application for available updates, and if none of this helps you, then try the following method. First of all, you're gonna have to unplug your cable from the keyboard itself, then hold escape button along with F1, F3 and F5. Make sure to not hold any other key, and then carefully reinsert the cable. Now your keyboard will start glowing blue for 10 seconds, and then it will blink in purple. Once it does, you can actually release these three keys or four keys that you're pressing. Okay, it seems to take too long. Let's try this once again. Hold down the escape button, F1, F3 and F5 simultaneously. Insert your cable into the keyboard. Give it 10 seconds. Okay, and as you can see, it switched the color. Now let's wait for this animation to finish on our keyboard. Right now it's most probably inactive. So now wait until it starts glowing in rainbows. Okay, or switches back to purple, it doesn't matter. Now simply unplug your keyboard once again and replug it in. And somehow, after you do all this stuff, you will get a working keyboard again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. I really hope that it helped you. If it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.